Hi, good day.
Good day, sir.
Welcome to Daydreamer Company. You may sit here. So, do you hear anything about our company?
Yes, sir. And I think your company is really big opportunity for me.
So, tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am Manny Jollibee Kahayon, 16 years of age. I grew up in the beautiful province of Batangas, in the city of Balayan, Barangay Caybunga. I graduated at De La Salle Batangas University. I love sports, but my first love is performing on stage, like acting, basically everything about theater arts.
Wow! I really heard so many interesting things about you. That's nice. So anyway, why do you want this job?
I really want to get a job in this company because the name of this company itself is about dreams. Daydreamer. You fulfill the dreams of others about their financial status. Being a financial consultant is in our blood because my mom and dad are both businesswomen and they become an insurance consultant. And soon enough, they will be having their own leading company. From the time I entered college, I knew that I wanted to be in this career.
Okay. If that's the case, why should we hire you?
I think you should hire because of my experiences. They are almost perfectly aligned with the requirements you asked for in your job listing. Especially, I am almost inclined with this kind of industry.
Okay, what is your greatest strength?
As an accountant or financial consultant, my greatest strength is my intellectual perseverance and care for others from their future, especially giving them some tips and advice on how to value their money, investment, and insurance for their educations and their future. I enjoy researching some tips and trends on how to be an effective financial consultant, especially on saving and investing money.
Wow! You're really having the eagerness to pursue on this career. If that's the case, this is a common question to our employees. What is your greatest weakness?
My great weakness is used to be a shy person because I'm afraid of rejection. It's so hard to approach a stranger. This isn't a responsible sounds, but from the moment I think my goal, I remove this bad trait from me and pull myself up to be confident as possible.
Okay, so why do you want to leave your current job?
Sir, I was very fortunate to hired by the Manulife company right off college. They taught me a lot about being a financial consultant. And it's been stimulating to work as a contributor of their creative teams. However, I think I'm ready for the bigger step for my brighter future.
Based on your experiences, what are your salary expectations?
From the reliable and salary calculators, and from the news say that the financial consultant can earn around 60,000 and 100,000 pesos per month. But the previous company, I bought home around 58,000 per month, while I would definitely welcome a salary over 60,000 a month. Particularly given the cost of living here, I'm open to negotiation if a lower salary was accompanied.
That's great! We'll see. So, how do you handle stress and pressure?
I'm someone who energized by or thrives in a stressful environments. The first step for managing stress is to circumvent it by keeping my work process very organized and my attitude professional. When customers and associates come with me with issues, I try to look at things from their perspective and initiate a collaborative problem-solving approach to keep the situation from escalating.
Alright, so can you describe a difficult work situation or project and how you handle it?
I think the most difficult situation I face as a financial consultant when some of the clients not continuing to pay their bills, especially when they are closing their accounts, and some of the agents or my staff are not doing their work properly. And the other one is I have to lay off a staff or agent, even worse, because sales are down. But I'm giving them a chance to see if they can improve or not. If not, I give them the straightforward reason for why they are being laid off.
That's nice, thank you. So, what are your goals for the future?
My goal is to find a job that I can hold long-term with international and local companies, becoming a valued employee as I gradually advance to position of increasing authority and responsibility.
time. It was great meeting you. I want to say that we finally found the one we are looking for. Congrats, Mr. McLean. You are now officially hired. You will start your job on Monday.
Thank you, sir, for making time to interview me for the open role. I'm really grateful, sir. I'm thrilled about the prospect of working in this position and being part of this reputable team. Thank you, sir.